What are you making, my dear?
Since we have two overripe bananas, I I was thinking we still have unsalted pistachio, so I'll be making pistachio banana bread.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so this is already mashed bananas with egg, a little bit of cooking oil, and melted butter. And I sifted 2 cups of flour, all-purpose flour, and I want to have it. Look at this big lemon. This is orange. So I will put a lemon zest and orange, and then of course we have pistachio. I'll chop it later. So tomorrow will be a good one.
I can't wait until tomorrow.
Well, it's nice to kind of do some baking at night.